So looping through a list is not the only thing that we can do with the for loop. We can also make a for loop go through a set of numbers. So if I delete this and I say for x in range 3, and then I tell it to print x, this is going to go through a set of numbers. So if you can see over here, if I run this program, it's going to print 0, 1, and 2. What this range 3 is doing is it's creating something that's a lot like a list, and it's going to have the values of 0, 1, and 2. This value 3 is saying where we stop. So you might notice that 3 is not included in the list, and that's because it's going to end right before 3. So it's going to be 0, 1, 2. And if we really want to, we can just ignore x and we can just do whatever we want here. So we can say print hello, print bye. And if I run this, you can see that it prints hello, bye, and hello, bye. It's doing that 3 times, and that's why this is so useful. We can execute some instructions many times, and we can increase this, and this is going to be really useful rather than just simply typing the same thing a bunch of times. And the variable doesn't need to be called x. We did call it x in this case, but especially with this range 3, a lot of people call their variable I. It doesn't really matter as long as it's some valid variable name and it's not some reserved keyword like for or in or something like that. So yeah, this can just be any variable name you want. So it can just be like whatever, as long as it's a valid variable name. But let's say I didn't want to go from 0 to 2. I instead wanted to go from 1 to 3. So to do that, I could change it so that instead of saying range 3, it would say range 1, 4. If I run this, it's now going to go from 1 to 3 as long as I just make sure to remember to print x. Now you can see that it's going to print the values from 1 to 3. So you might be a little bit confused, like why didn't it go from 1 to 4? Well, because it says 1, 4. And that's just like what's before. This last stop number is exclusive. And that means that it's going to stop right before this number 4. So that's basically why it stops at 3 rather than 4. And the 1, the start number, it starts exactly on that start number. So that's just something to keep in mind.